everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with Saturday morning makes as well as hashtag two crafters, one design. And my next card that I'll be showing is going to be for the hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. But let me go ahead and show you what I used to create this card. So I am using Pink and Main Sweet Die. I am also using this Cottage Cuts die, and it's the Lattice Slimline. I'm also using some of these enamel dots that I got from Sugar Dot. I think this was, somebody gave it to me, I don't remember. And I think it was back in my blogging days, actually. And then I'm also using this Alina Craft scallop die, and I'm using this one here. And then I pulled out this Sizzix die, and I'm using this star as well as that star there. I hope you've seen that. And then I am using this heart here, and that's Sizzix too. Both of these were made by Stephanie Bernard. And then I am using this nested square, nesting circle dies from We Are Memory Keepers. And so I did not have any cookie dies, so I thought I would make my own cookies, although I have some coming now. But anyways, so what I did was I went ahead and put that lattice down. When I tried to put this lattice down with some spray adhesive, well, the adhesive was so old that it left marks, but I thought it had added some character to it. I still had to glue it down, and I left it as if it was on like a cooking grid, and got a little grease spills or something back there. But anyways, I thought it added character, so I kept it in. I did use some Distress Oxide ink as well as Distress ink to color up these, but I forgot which ones I used because I made these cookies a while back. So I'm trying to go through some of the die cuts that I said I had. So these were some of those die cuts. I just pulled some things out of my stash. I used some, looks like stickles and probably Nouveau drops, and then I also used some sprinkles in my stash. And as you can see, there goes that sweet die as well as those little enamel dots there. And there goes the inside. I forgot to pull out this one. And this one is also Cottage Cuts Slimline die. So I used that. And then this one right here is the one that I showed you as my thumbnail. So let me get all the items that I used from that. So I recently picked up this die from Honeybee Stamps. So I wanted to make sure I went ahead and used some of those, as well as these here. And so as you can see, I use Sparkle, and then I use both of those die cuts to cut that out. And let's see, I also used this bow die set from My Creative Time, and I am using, I want to say this bow here, so that's what I'm using there. And then to create this flower in the inside as well as the dies on the outside, I am using this large die of the month. I love this die set, so I am using, let's see, I use this as well as this one here. And then the flower that I used was this small one there. And then there goes that small leaf I used there. And then I think I just added a diamond dot in the center. And I didn't get that for you, but that's what I used. I also used the inside dies for that. Here goes the paper pack that I'm using here. And this is that Flirty Fleur set. And I got this from, I know I got it from someone, I don't remember who, I apologize, but I won this off someone's channel. And then I also used my 6x6 paper. I only had a little bit more left of those, but love how it turned out. I am also using that Salvage Patina, is it called Salvage Patina? I want to say Salvage Patina. Yes, Salvage Patina oxide ink. That's what I'm using. And then what I did was I took that white glitter paper that I got from I was going to say Kmart that I got from Walmart, and I colored it up. So just remember that white glitter paper, you can color it up. I colored it up um, and used it for there and also on those leaves. And this is how that white glitter paper looks there. And then I also used on this U Sparkle, and you probably can't hardly see it, but I used that glitter spray on that. And then I had some black cardstock that has a hint of gold in there. But I just really like how it turned out. And then I also added some diamond dots on top of there. And then you can also see that glitter paper that I used right there. I thought it looked so pretty. And then there goes the inside of the card there. So those are my 2 cards that I made for Saturday morning makes. There they go. And then if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. And thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. Make sure you use hashtag 2crafters1design as well as hashtag Satmore Makes. Use Jill Norwood's channel to go and see what she's created, as well as both of those hashtags. Make sure you go over and visit Gloria. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.